secret to building wealth? Well, people think it's about staring at trading charts for 12 hours a day, or jumping from one hot investment to another, or trying to time the perfect market entry. And while those things
Get that bottom over here. Probably gonna go up 691.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Auto field.
Order filled. Order filled.
Mm. Two in the bag, baby. Why didn't this update? That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Alright, one in the bag. Just put it in the bag.
So true graffiti. That was the first touch point with painting each other. So the one thing you do while you're making the streets is that
Probably gonna come back down to 664. We did sweep this high.
Order filled.
Don't like how this isn't live right now.
Order filled.
We're gonna fix that. Okay, it's first buy, so let's see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It's gonna be the 15-minute high, so we gotta be careful. Might reverse when it gets up there. It's also the 700s. What people? Make sure I check my voice.
This one's at least 1 point.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
Mic test. Mic test. All right. So we might be looking for reversals, so be careful. 15-minute highs. We also have the 1-hour high over here too. Alright. Overbought. I don't see a fair value gap up here though, so I'm like, fuck. Have one on the 30. But it's also really close to VWAP. Not too sure where my target would be if I was to reverse that, if I got the signal. We have our first signal here, but it might just start ripping up. So I might grind a little bit. I don't know yet. I have to see if this becomes live or not. Alright, so that there still isn't one. There's a fair value gap here. Created one. I'm not sold on it yet though, guys. Sorry. I'm not sold on that one.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and
So we had one buy signal, took it. This wants to go up.
order filled.
Damn, does that have to stay up? Close above, should send this up. And now we go down.
Order filled.
There you go. Now you can see my profit's really big. You know, no faking here. Brooklyn! Where is that though? Let's see. 15 minute? I mean, we're kind of creating a 15 also, but we telling you that you need to retouch this? Is that what you're saying? Possibility. was hoping for like another double top or something here though. I think I'm gonna take it out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just in case. Oh, let me look at we have today's the 2nd, right? Doesn't really look like we have that much. We have Canadia's PMI that already happened. And then there's not much for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is a lot. A lot. Tomorrow is going to be really wild. Damn, I knew I was right. Double guessed myself, bro.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Double guessed.
Be ready at least 11. I'm leaving at 11. Or be at least 11.
Alright, I hate boiled eggs. How you on it?
Me too. I can't eat it no more. My body rejects it. Maybe the smell makes me want to throw up.
Yeah, I hate it. I think we're gonna get probably 750. I want to love tap it and go back up, but let's see. Hopefully this gets that momentum. So you got 2 buys, very good. If you held it, you could have held it right until the candles start turning overbought. Golden or orange. Valley Trades, what's up, brother? Oof. Why is it oversold out here? Overbought. That kind of sucks. I don't want to risk it, but I think this wants to go up higher. We're going to keep an eye on this really close. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. Why, you can't see me? Wouldn't be surprised if you can't. I'll be on today. That should be a short day for me. I'm gonna take my son to Six Flags. No, I'm in New Jersey. New Jersey. They have Six Flags all over the U.S. Yeah, Jersey has ones.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm gonna eat a little bit while we are waiting. I try to get my setup for this fucking mask thing. I got it all set up, but then I need a green screen. It doesn't look right, unfortunately. I was fucking ready. I was fucking ready. I think it wants to pop. That's good. Microsoft latest round layoffs impact less than 4% of the workforce. Really good. And Canadia's PMI was a lot lower too. So I feel like we're in good hands. We just need to get rid of the politics, and we should start moving. If we can get that interest rate cut soon, this is going to be a fucking wild market. Yeah, it's definitely hesitating.
Order filled.
There's our first one to get out. Another buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
We got 30 seconds left in this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Smart enough to beat the market? Then you're smart enough to know that even Renaissance Technologies, the world's most successful.
Just gonna bounce here. Sorry, I'm eating while I'm trading here. Some little avocado toast. My mic's a little echoey. You know what? I wonder if it's my fucking... Can you still hear me? I know what it is now. It's because I bought that camera and it has a fucking mic on it. I have to take that off.
Should work. I'm glad that you pointed it out. I tried to turn it off. Maybe TT side, but I still have it on, you know, YT and Twitch. I had to play around. I was up till like 3 a.m. trying to figure it out last night. I needed to break through right here. doesn't know what it wants. I think it wants to rip up. I mean, it's 10 o'clock Eastern. Just gonna hold up here. I think we'll be good. Come on. Come on, get up there. I think it really wants 750s. Right into that fair value gap up there.
It's like so fun, man. I'm Alec Briggs here at Canyon to talk you through our new.
All right.
Order filled.
Kidding. What is this thing doing? Mic check. Just double checking. Rip up, baby.
Actors, we can make you believe we know what we're
Should at
doing.
least go up a little bit more.
We do not.
Order filled.
There you go. A little bit more here. That was my Top Step X taking some profit.
Order filled.
All right. All right. All right. He's gonna get 750. I just was taking it a little cautious. Right at the 78. I think it wants one, but we'll have to see. I feel like it needs to reject off this and not close below this. Hashtag daddy. Hold on, Mr. Bastard. Make any trades yet? Bastard, you be honest with me. Are the other traders entertaining? Are they making more money? What's the deal? A couple are making more than me? Fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. But like, how come I have no viewers, bro? I need my I need a green screen. I have everything set up. I just need the green screen. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't want to be a robot, you know? I need to connect. That was very kind of you, Valley Trades. I hope your trip is wonderful now. I was jealous. No, I'm just joking. I hope you enjoy Cali, though. You gonna surf or anything like that? I always wanted to surf. What are you doing over there? You just gonna go explore? Now I'm going to a family and church event. Still cool. Bro, when I went to
Order filled.
my girl's side of the family is
Order
Mexican,
filled.
and we went to Mexico, like the motherland. Bro, we visited mad churches, and it was fucking beautiful. Beautiful. Never seen so much detail in churches before like that. Not bad for 40 minutes of trading, $1,000 almost. We got 591 and 400 on my top step X. It says another buy, and I'm like, where does this want to go? Does it want to take out the highs up here? New day high, huh? You're calling it? Wow, this is a fucking straight up monsoon here. You still have Daddy up over here. Daddy? So maybe I will continue with like a minute. Ah, man, it's already oversold. Overbought. From the 1 minute. It might just grind up here though, to be honest with you.
Order filled.
We'll do very small.
Order filled.
$780s, here we come. Alright, let's play a little safe. Because sometimes it likes to be these stupid fucking things here. You think 780, guys? Oh, thanks for the answer, bastard. I actually appreciate that response. Yeah, I can't figure it out either. We're going to switch it up soon, though, so... If not, I need professional help. I want 750, then 78. We're at 757. Oh, you mean you wanted to pull back then go to 78? So close to it too. The only problem, I have this here, so it must have been a huge resistance. That might have been the pullback. I mean, there is this very micro fair value gap here, and it didn't close below it. But it's so tiny. Maybe once touch this one. I'm not sure. There it goes, Daddy. Daddy? I'm thinking it wants to go up only because if you look to the left, where? You know, there's just nothing here. I mean, you do have some resistance here, which kind of sucks because that's where we're denying, right? But it's very minute. It's a minor one. If anything, this was the bigger one. This is the minor one, but we need the bigger one. We can always pull out our handy dandy Fibonacci tool here. Handy dandy. We're at the 1.61. we're high. We're high. The only thing I can think of is we can do here, start microing it. The only thing I can think of, maybe we want to hit the 786. $786 will put us right over everything. I'm not going to go too high in this because I'm not 100% sure. Titan stops at 773. I can see that too. Yeah. Problem is, this is probably the entire thing here is probably a line of resistance. I made my take profit. I mean my profit thing large. Can you guys see it? Flies are up. You're right. You're right. The problem with this though is that, you know, sometimes it takes a minute to go up. But you were right, brother. Just took some time. And it wasn't on a dime. Let's see. Let's look at the 4th of July. So tomorrow there will be, it'll be closed at 1 p.m. Eastern. And then open at July 3rd at night. Why, what's July 3rd? Independence Day Eve? July 4th will be closed too. I might hop on for a little bit July 4th in the morning. Nothing crazy though. Probably like one fucking contract at a time because I gotta throw a large party too. Large party. I woke up at 2 a.m., sold, and rebought lower. Shut up. That's fucking awesome. I mean, that sucks that you woke up at 2 a.m. I mean, I was up until 3 a.m. last night. Probably just trying to configure my, camera and stuff. What does it want? Definitely feel like it wants to take those highs out, guys. Be mine. I was setting it up last night, Lazar, but I need a green screen behind my chair. I tried it. There's some AI stuff, you know, where you could take out the background without a green screen, but it was taking out my horns. It just wasn't showing my horns. It kept taking it off, so I looked like a weird... I looked even... That's really ironic for me just to say right now. I said I look like a weirdo, but in reality, I look like a weirdo, period. But I meant to say, like, I look weird without the horns because it has, like, the pig nose, and it's a bull, too, so... I'm like, what the hell? The mask, correct. So I'm like, you know, I was trying it. It was just not. It was just not, damn, that was a hard rejection. It wasn't working. I was up to like 3 a.m. trying to set it up. Oh, I got a dope-ass background, too. I can show you the background, guys. Let me know what you think. I kind of took a little bit of Mr. Bastard's idea, and I created my own. I thought it was fucking pretty cool. Let's see. Find it though. Let's see. Let me know what you guys think of this thing. Oh, where is it? I'm trying to fucking make this so it's not so big, guys. I'm sorry. I think this is pretty cool as a background. I could switch it up a bit. What do you guys think? Kind of looks dark. Like dark in a good way, bad way, or it needs to be lightened. We're moving up, by the way. We're moving up. That means a dungeon. Needs to be lightened. It's okay. I can lighten it up. I'll have to do that later. Not a problem. I'll probably just change the contrast as a tiny bit. Talking about rainbow? Never heard about it. Rainbow? I'm cool with that too. I heard kick is pretty cool too, I heard. Let's look it up. Is it the way you spelled it? Ooh, that's what we were
Order
looking for,
filled.
guys.
Order filled.
Hey, what do you think about my my background, Mr. Bastard? I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit. That's what we were needed. That's what happened. I don't see anything. News-wise. I'm gonna make it a little lighter, like Ballad Trade said. Testing phases, you know? Gotta figure out what works. Oh, that's just a throne, bro. That's just like a I already closed it, but that's just like a background. I made 400 on my account in one account, but down 200 in the other. Didn't catch that move. Oh man. So we're above
Your future is at your
into
fingertips.
Daddy Land.
Take advantage of the
Think it wants
flexibility
800
and
first?
diversity of futures trading with NinjaTrader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today.
I want to look at Rainbow in a second. I'm just curious. Look at all these other fucking ones. That's what sucks. Alright, there's our flag on the 5. July 1st high. This thing is ripping. Let me look up Rainbow. Wait, Rainbow is not EGBQ, right? So that's a very tricky, that's a really, they should change the name only because, you know, REIN bow, rainbow is cool, but if you put rainbow social, like the real rainbow, the way you spell it, it brings you to LGBTQ. You were thinking that? I thought you were setting me up, bro. When I typed it in wrong, not shit. It's only 10,000 downloads for it, though. I don't know how big that is. lot of people are saying they don't feel stressed though, which is good. Like I'm stressed on this fucking thing. All right, we're at 800s now. Getting gray. Don't worry, brother. I'm starting to get gray hairs now. Don't have kids. Oh, it's got over 1 million users. But Google keeps saying, did you mean rainbow? Man, this is fucking bananas. It's trying to tell me something. You're right. I mean, next stop is 850s to A61s. Let's look in the 5. I mean, I had my reversal signal that popped up before, so. It's just an indication that we're getting to the top. I mean, we could try it. It won't hurt. But I think kick is the bigger one, to be honest with you. That's where I struggle, the reversal. I've been getting really good at it lately. But I don't see it here yet. But this is right here, this area is the 61% on the larger pullback. Like, it's probably huge. Yep, on the big one. From here all the way to here. So it's definitely top to bottom. We're at the 61% pullback right now.
So through graffiti, that was the first touch point with painting in general.
We're still just waiting. Kind of like froze. had to check my connection for a second. It just stopped. I don't see any fair value gaps except for down here, which kind of sucks. I kind of want one a little bit higher. So that indicates that I might want to start pushing up just a little bit more. Let's go back to the 5. I'm curious to look around here. Dude, there's really not much more other than reverse here or fucking take these highs, which is 850. Then you're like, all right, well, you might as well take the real highs. The only thing that's news that came out was oil. See, you're already spell correcting it. Oh, here's another one. Maybe I'll just scalp it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It's gonna be very small, guys. I don't want to risk anything. Only 'cause I don't have a fucking clue. You think 830? $830. 867. I can't tell if this wants to be it, maybe. $826. I don't know on this one. Maybe it could be 825. $29.30. Probably. I don't know. I really don't fucking see. If you go to the 15, we're in fucking limbo. And it only makes sense to take out 846 into 850. Yeah, that's all I'm seeing. Here, ITC stuff draw out at 15-minute wick, 10:15 from July 1st. July 1st, 10:15. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right here. This high, 845, right? Oh, you're saying do the whole wick, huh? Why? For like that stupid order block shit? Something like that? And then we got the pullback zone for aggressive. Yellow. To the upside. You don't like my battle music, bro? Fat bastard.
I tried 5-factor meals so you don't have to. Here's what I'd order again. All right, let's get into it. Packed with protein, tasted way better than I expected. Solid 8 out of 10.
I love Chipotle. What kind of question's that, bro? Draw out the whole top wick. No, the very bottom and the 0.5 range is 2 of the strongest pull spots for reversals. Yeah, I think I'm going to confuse myself here, so I'm going to take this out. But I get what you mean. Selling off some. It's always good to take. There's nothing wrong with taking some profit, you know? Why, you eating Chipotle, bro? Order block? Yeah, the only really thing that I've really used from them is everything is just retermed. I don't know if you know that. The only thing that's really different is that fair value gap, in my opinion. Oof. If it closes below this might be it.
What's the secret to building wealth? Well, people think it's about staring at trading charts for 12 hours.
Sorry, I'm concentrating. It's a pretty big liquidity drop there. So we're into a 5-minute and then also creating a 5-minute. So this is going to be determination of what's going on here. On the 1 minute, there's nothing. I mean, we're forming that beginning, but honestly, I'm okay with getting break even. Only because, I don't know, this isn't moving. Clearly respected it. Man. All right. My only issue with stuff like this is, you know, it's usually a warning sign that when we close below, this was close, but when it closes below this, it's usually a warning sign, hey, it's getting real shaky, so just be careful. We needed to close above this. Daddy?
Order filled.
That was my top step X.
Order filled.
Oh, like a mini V shape? Let's see what you got here. Oh, yeah. Definitely V shape. The way you have it drawn. Oh, you're out everything? Well, this is going to determine everything right now. Just needs to break this and we should get a little spike. Ooh, it's overbought. So this means overbought, so be careful.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Fucking daddy. Fucking daddy. I hate when it fucking does this. Oh, you got it? Nice. Fucking daddy. Yeah, I see your silhouette. Yeah. You got a ghost, bro. Fucking watching over your trades. Fucking daddy.
Oh man.
You think it's probably wants 850s then, guys. I don't fucking know. I mean, we are in that order spot that you were saying, Valley Trades. Yeah, you have been saying that. But where is it, man? I mean, in reality, no, because that wasn't in the top. So this is, if this doesn't hold here though, we can reverse for sure. You're going for 860, bro? I mean, it looks like it wants to keep going. Look, Fair Value got respect to the upside.
I used to not have time for cases like these. Luckily, GoDaddy Arrow uses AI to build websites that manage appointments from different places online, so I don't have to do it.
It sucks. I have to get off soon. I gotta take my son to Six Flags. Fucking, and this looks like it wants to fall. Hey, I wish you the best. My flight is tonight, and I got a Confirm? What the fuck is Confirm? Oh, I left. Say it. Valid. Let's say enjoy, dude. All right. This closed, guys. This closed.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Which one's it gonna be? I have no fucking clue. I need this to update here. All right, so I'm looking for 720. We could be a little bit more conservative too if we need to. But it should hit VWAP. I'm in a cell. Yep. I'm in a cell. We're divergent. Very good. Might be adding that onto the indicator too. Might want to retest first and then drop. And if it does break the highs a little bit, I'm okay to hold this just a little bit. It does need to break down through here. We could play a little bit smart and leave it like right here. And then see if this wants to come down. We'll be adjusting it as we go anyway. So that's what I'm basically looking for, VWAP. But I'm also not naive that it can reverse a little bit higher. But I think this wants to go down. And that's being a safe bet, you know. This could come down to 595s. 584. So as this is playing out, I'm going to be right back. I have to get dressed and stuff like that. I will keep this on and I will check back in just before I leave. All right, guys? But you said it was going up? I bet you it's going to go up after. This needs to come down a bit. Yep, this is the first fair value gap that it really closed on. Even if it wants to come back up to here, it's okay. Wow, this is strong. Oh, is it strong in, but close below, close above, close below. I'm pretty sure it's going to reverse eventually. I'm okay with it. You still thinking A60? I think we're good. Regardless, I think we'll be okay. All right, guys, just give me a few minutes.
is energy, and I want that my object give the energy to the ambient.
Ah, because you use bicycle. Okay.
My name is Elena Salmistraro, and I am product designer and artist from Milano. The characteristic of my work are the freedom, the powerful colors, texture everywhere. For me, it's very important when people look at my project, people feel the emotions.
Elena was the perfect fit because she has a very energetic and vibrant style. I think she's pretty much inspired by everything, but she can really extract the essence and put it into her artwork.
My objects tell stories. The storytelling is a important part for me, and I want object with the soul. When the project started, I was excited because it was the first time with a bicycle, and was a new challenge for me, because give the personality to a technical object is, in general, difficult.
I think her design is something so human and organic that you can really, almost see her feelings in it.
I have an house on the lake, and I imagined the bicycle on the road with the reflection of the water and the sun on the surface of the bicycle. For this, I imagined the spots colorful and the waves, the movement of the wind. When I looked the bike for the first time, was incredible, like a miracle.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, Lucas, che bella. I speak in Italian.
In the final stage, Elena came to Koblenz, and we were basically, fine-tuning the last changes, having a little back and forth, and finalizing the last things on the bike.
The collaboration with Lucas is important because I look the bike only on paper, only on renders, and Lucas helped me finishing the project.
This is blue and this is red. And I also did the alteration here.
Oh,
Yeah?
this,
Okay,
yes.
cool. Well, we can...
I think in the My Canyon project, I'm kind of a sparringspartner for ideas with the artists, but I'm also the person who makes sure that we can make everything possible for the artists.
We need the
Red one.
red and pink. Sorry, Lucas.
The final bike is probably the most colorful bike that Kenny has ever done.
I want that my objects will be the objects of desire. For me, it's very important when people look at my project, people feel the emotions. I hope that people that ride my bicycle can feel the energy and the freedom my artwork embodies.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with NinjaTrader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today
All right. Did you get your mark? You didn't. Fuck. It might go up, Laz. It might. Still think I'm gonna prevail here. I might just put this to 846 just in case, because I'm gonna be leaving soon here. It can go back and forth. Let's look at the 5-minute real quick before I get off. It still didn't even come to the cloud yet. And this is probably going to be a line in the sand here. If this can hold here, we might come back up. But if it doesn't hold here, goodbye. And then Daddy's right. Daddy usually is right. Daddy? All right, guys. I will be messaging in Discord on the follow through. If you guys got any questions, just hit me up in Discord in the trading general chat. I gotta bring my son to Six Flags. You need the magnet? I need the magnet for myself, though, bro. Here, we'll go like this. Best man wins. All right. I hope you get yours. It can go up there and then come back down for me. I mean, 860s kind of just feels off, right? Like, I feel like we scalped this, and now it's time to come down. It's got 4 minutes left in that candle. But if it starts to close below A17s, it's probably going down, dude. So just be careful. But I can hold it both ways. All right, guys. I got to bring my son to Six Flags, all his friends. Yay. Yay me. But I might be on later. Look, be careful. If not, I will definitely be on tomorrow morning. Hopefully with my mask. I tried it last night, but I need a green screen. The taking out the background digitally wasn't working. It was taking out my horns. That's what she said. All right, I'm out. Later, guys. Good trading today, too.